Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making dark chocolate gluten-free donuts. So to start off, I'm going to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose gluten-free flour, a half cup of dark cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of cane sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just going to blend that really well. Now onto our wet ingredients. I'm going to mix a half cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 large room temperature eggs. Mix well to combine. Next, combine your wet and dry ingredients and mix well. Your batter will become thick, almost like a brownie batter. Next, scoop your batter into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. This is going to help when you're ready to pipe your batter into your donut pan. After you've finished filling your Ziploc bag with the batter, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and let the batter rest for about 15 minutes. So here I'm using a standard sized donut pan that I have greased, and I have gone ahead and cut about a 1/2 inch up on one of the corners of my Ziploc bag so I can begin to pipe my batter into the donut pan. These are going to bake in the oven for about 12 minutes. Now, unfortunately, because they are dark chocolate, you won't be able to tell by the color when they're done. So be sure to look for a nice bunch of cracks around the donut, not too big, but just enough to know that it's expanded, to know that your donuts are ready to come out. So your donuts will be perfect just as they are when you take them out of the oven if you want to enjoy them warm. If you want to add a topping, I am just doing a simple vanilla glaze by using some powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and a little bit of vanilla extract. And then I am just going to dip my donuts in. I don't want them to be hot out of the oven. Give them about 5-10 minutes to cool a little bit and then dip your donuts. And as you can see, you can do something fun like chocolate as well with some sprinkles. But look at that texture. These donuts are absolutely perfect and they're gluten-free. They will taste like regular donuts. Thank you so much for enjoying another one of my recipes. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.